All right, nope, I'm filming it right now, Jack. It's gonna be a great episode. Don't even worry. Don't worry about a thing. I've got it under control. It's good. What's good, guys? Welcome to episode number 4 of the Drone Buzz. Got some interesting news for you today, so let's get started. What's good, everybody? Ken Dono here. You're watching Drone Buzz. And today I figure we'll start off the episode with some news coming straight out of Autel. So last week I put out an episode that the Autel Evo 2 should never have been announced. Now, a lot of you were really mad about that episode and you felt that that information I had was sort of armchair quarterback information. But after that episode went live, I actually received an email from somebody close to Autel themselves, basically letting me know there's been some top level shakeups. Jeff Powell, the VP of Autel Robotics, is no longer with Autel. Now, if you remember, Jeff Powell has been with Autel since the very beginning, at least their robotics division, and he's since been replaced. Apparently, the parent company overseas in China wasn't happy with some of the production that was happening, especially around the Evo 2, and decided it was time for some shakeups. I don't know if it was because of the failed releases on the Evo 1, and then obviously now with the issues with the Evo 2, but I feel it wasn't really fair to him because with the Evo 2, unforeseen circumstances such as COVID-19 has prevented them from being able to ship to their North American release. Not only that, I've found out that social media director Tim Matthews is no longer with the company as well. Tim's a great guy and he's going to definitely be missed. And there's not a lot more information beyond that, and we still don't have any other ship dates from Autel at this point. But if anything should develop, I will keep you guys updated. But just know that right now they are replacing the VP. I believe the gentleman from the Autel Robotics automotive division is stepping in Jeff's place. Jack, what do you got for us in the FPV world?
Okay, let's talk about what's new in the world of drones this week. A lot of people are asking, hey, what's up with the Mavic Air 2? Is that coming? Is that even the drone? Well, I don't know. Maybe it's coming, maybe it's not. That's all just speculation at this point. But DJI did announce something new this week, the Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0. Yeah, I know it's not new, right? But they did just 2 days ago release a new video promoting it as kind of almost a new drone. Who's their marketing department? Why not 2.1 and do something different? Give it some different colors or ESCs or firmware or something, right? Come on, DJI. If you need a marketing guy, give me a call. Actually, it is a really, really good drone, $1,600, and you get that beautiful 1-inch sensor. Probably the best drone you can get out there, especially for mapping and things like that. So, you know, if that's what you're into, definitely worth a look. Okay, so some pretty strange times that we live in. Lots of people are stuck indoors, and there are some people doing some interesting things with their drones anyway. There's this guy in New York that got a phone number from some girl dancing on a rooftop. He just sent his drone up there, was ballsy enough to ask for a number, and got it. So hey, social distancing, use drones. Then there's this guy walking his dog. I don't know about you, but my dog would destroy the crap out of that drone. No way that this worked with good old Gus. When it comes to creativity, I don't know that I've seen a better video than the last one that Johnny FPV put out. It is absolutely fantastic, flying through Abu Dhabi. If you have not seen it, you absolutely need to check it out. He does some fantastic, fabulous things that you just can't do with a Mavic or a Phantom. It is spectacular. Links to all these stories down below. Definitely gonna wanna check them out. And if you haven't flown FPV before, I highly recommend to give it a try, especially now if you're stuck home. Fly some whoops. I'm flying tiny whoops inside my house all day long. No, Margot, no, not all day. No, I'm helping with the kids and e-learning and stuff. No, lots of work. I'm busy, I'll be in the basement. Whoops are awesome. I got my Mobula 6, ripping this thing around the basement, rip it around the upstairs when my wife's not paying attention, and sometimes I open the doors and zip it around the house too. So definitely Whoops, something you need to check out. That brings us to the channel of the week, Mini Micro FPV. This guy does some good stuff. Now I was looking to build, right? Because I got some time on my hands. I figured, hey, I'll build a little mini FPV drone with the DJI's digital system. Couldn't find it anywhere. I emailed Bob Ruge. He's the guru for stuff like that. I want to build a 3-inch. Found this on Mini Micro FPV. Great stuff. You're gonna want to check out his channel. If you like little drones, if you want to fly something around the house, you want to learn how to build, usually Joshua Bardwell is the guy that I go to, but this guy, Mini Micro FPV, did exactly what I'm looking to do, and hopefully I can build a 3-inch digital toothpick soon. Back to you, Ken. Hey Ken, does my audio suck this time? I got this new fancy mic. Hey Ken, does my audio suck this time? I got this new fancy mic.
That audio brought a tear to my eye, Jack. That new mic is doing wonders for you. All right, well that's it. That's all the time we have for you this week. We'll be back next week, providing news permits. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to Half Chrome Drones and follow along with the playlist. We've done 3 episodes so far. This is the 4th. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, Original Dobo, go ahead and do that. You can also follow us on Twitter because we're always posting updates there as well. We'll see you next week in the Drone Buzz.